Welcome everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the Yandere simulator on any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. Now, do not panic. I always emphasize this point at the start of many of my videos, and that is because most of the times people panic when they see me using an iPhone, and those who are Android users, they find this video of no use for them. But here's the thing: if you're seeing me using this iPhone in this video, don't panic, because this Yandere simulator is downloadable and compatible with both iOS and Android mobile devices. So it doesn't matter whichever device you're using, either you're an Android user or an iOS user. Just follow the steps I'll be showing you later in this video, and you'll be able to get this Yandere simulator downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So it doesn't matter whichever device you're using, just follow the steps. And the method and the steps that I'll be showing you will work on both iOS and Android mobile devices. So just follow the steps properly, and you'll be able to get this Yandere simulator downloaded properly into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So there you go. Press to enter, and this is the game, and this is the Yandere simulator. And the menu is pretty good. Look at that. I have a lot of options. They're not quite visible now. Look at that. Look at that. She has a knife in her hand, and this is empty file. I'm going to save my on this first one. You can save your game over here on any of these files. Perhaps you can have 2 slots of saving your gameplays. And then you have to basically, I believe, name your character. I'm going to go for the male. Yes, definitely. My skin color. Okay. So you can basically, you have to set up your character. You have to name him. Then you can save your game into one of those game slots, and then you can later come and play your game from the point you left. So it's like easy. It's just like console games. You can have your gameplay saved. It's pretty good, because many other simulators don't have this option of saving your game, and maybe because they don't need to. Like, there's no need to save your game in many of those simulators, but this is a good option. You can basically save your progress, since I believe this is a strategic game or something like that. And this game is pretty good. You can see the graphics are pretty good, and this game is running pretty entirely smoothly, which also depends to some extent on the device you're using. But on iOS and Android devices, most of every device is either iOS or Android. But it will run great, because this game is quite light and it runs pretty smoothly. It has like good graphics, and it is the Yandere simulator. Whoa, I should better close this game. A bloody hand. Oh, look at that. What's this? Is this somehow the heart or whatever? Anyways, I'm just gonna close. What I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply delete this game so that I can show you how to download it again. It's going to be pretty simple and easy. So there you. Let me just do it, and boom, there you go. Okay. So now the first thing you have to do when you're moving on with the steps is that you have to basically open your settings, which is pretty easy to do. You just click on the settings and they open. And then you look for general settings, and you click on general settings, which is also pretty easy, and look for background app refresh, which is somewhere underneath the iPhone storage. And then you make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. If it's on any other thing, turn it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now this is step 1, which is just for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, you have to skip to step number 2, which is also pretty simple, and that is that you have to go down to your battery settings and make sure that your power saver mods on your Android devices and your low power mod on your iOS devices are turned off. So these are the 2 adjustments that you have to make within the settings of your phone, with adjustment number 1 being for iOS devices only, and adjustment number 2 being for both Android and iOS devices. And once you've done that, simply close your settings, and that is going to be super easy as well. Simply close your settings and hit open your browser, and it doesn't matter whichever browser you're using. And this list contains a lot of crazy things and interesting things that you might need, but for now we will just go onto the search bar and look for the Yandere simulator, since we can't find it in the list, and it says in the app in-game description, mobile version Android plus iOS. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking that button over here, and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button, which is right here. So remember, the injection process may take up to a few minutes because it's injecting the contents, and that is the only reason I have fast forwarded the video, to make it short. And there's no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple as I'm showing you it is. And once your injection process has been finished, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, which is going to be super easy and super quick, and I'll show you how to do it, so don't worry. Let me just proceed to that final step. So there we go. Okay, so I have to complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of offers, out of which I have to complete 2. Now I'm definitely going to go for the 2 easiest of all the offers, and this one is going to be my first one. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store, if in case you're using an Android device, so don't worry about the sources of these apps. They're 100% safe to use. And once you have downloaded this app, make sure to run it for 40 to 50 seconds, even though they have specified it for 30 seconds, just to be sure that you've properly completed the offer. I've completed my offer number 1. Now I'm going on to complete my offer number 2, which is for me going to be fetch rewards. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. And again, a similar kind of an easy offer. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I'm properly completed the offer. I've just fast forwarded the video over here to make it short. And once you've completed both your instructions, all you have to do is simply close these apps and go return to your home page, just like this. Simply close everything and return to your home page, and you'll notice that your Yandere simulator will be downloaded pretty easily, just the way it has been downloaded for me in this few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time in another video. Until then, bye.